Welcome and thanks for being here. Today we're doing a smash burger. Yes, a grill smash burger. And we're gonna use this grill. We're gonna grill it in here on open fire, of course. So I buy this. It's aluminum with a Teflon. I don't got the tool for the Teflon. I don't use plastic and open fire. I always use metal, so I'm gonna be careful, don't scrap. What I like about this, you know what it is? Look at that. Look at it. Let's see if you can read it. Can you read that? Look at what they say. Made in America and family owned. Look at that. I love that. And I got this because one of the reasons was that, and it cost me less than $30. That is the other one. So a grilled smash burger going to come in with a cheese. We're not going to use American cheese. We're going to use, I forgot the meat. Yeah, let's talk about the meat first. Chuck. I'm going to grab my own. No need to. You can go and buy, and sometimes I do that. You saw me in other videos. For the bun, we're gonna use mayonnaise and ketchup, but we're gonna mix it, the ketchup. We're gonna fry the pickles, and we're gonna cover it in a little bit of flour, which gonna be 2 tablespoons of flour, like a half a teaspoon of salt. Be careful with the salt because the pickle already coming salty. And baking powder, we're gonna use an eighth of teaspoon. Don't put in more than that, or gonna be tasting very, very bad. So we're gonna mix it a little bit in here before we added cayenne pepper, and we're gonna add, I don't know, to taste. The bacon is cooking, so I got 2 already separated and weighed, 3 ounces in each little pile of ground beef, and I'm gonna make a little balls. Okay, I mean one. Now, if you don't got a scale, what you can do with this, my hand is it's a man normal hand, a little, you know, so look at this size. If you're a woman, probably gonna look bigger in your hand than what looks my bacon. Will be ready in a second, so let's prepare the pickles. So for that, we're gonna need the concoction that I made with the flour, baking powder, and cayenne pepper, and 2 pickles. 1, 2. Now let's take the bacon out. See, it's not completely crispy, and I don't want it completely crispy. And in the same place that we put the bacon, the flour this down, as you may hand. And I'm going to do the same here. I'm gonna fry the pickles. So let's take it off. Look at this. Let's put it aside. I'm gonna keep it warm. Okay, let's clean the grill before we do the hamburgers. To do that, I'm going to use first paper towel. Oh, look at that, clean and easy. So I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the onions in this section over here, and I'm gonna add the bacon over here. Over these 2 piles, I'm going to add the patty 1 and the patty 2. I'm gonna make this coming alive. After 30 seconds, I'm gonna smash the patty. One, and I'm gonna do the second mash on patty 2. Same thing here. All right, it's time to flip these babies. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Definitely not that crispy because they got more water from the onions, but it's still very good. So, cheese, go in, and go in, and of course the bread. Okay, 1, 2. I'm gonna close that for a second so the cheese melt. Put a lettuce in here on the base. Ooh. The bacon on the top. All the onions and bacon that I got extra. Look at this. Oh, I got a little more in here. Okay. Few tomatoes. I think 1 will be perfect enough. And of course, I'll fry pickles, which is goes in here. The other part of the pan. Let me smash a little bit. And there you have it. A smash burger. A smash double cheeseburger. A smash double cheeseburger with bacon, onions, and pickles. Guys, look at this beautiful masterpiece. Let me see. I'm ready to try this beauty. Look at this. Whew. I gotta breathe, exhale, take it. Look at this, and eat it.